Rockstar.
Welcome to today at RSG. Wait, part 21? Alrighty, Rockstars, as you may have noticed, Kevin got his car back. Shout out to Third Gear Customs over at Temecula, California. They've been painting Kevin's car here and there for a few years now, and look at this. Man, this thing looks
Tits.
great.
Tits.
Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of Kevin's car? Alright, Rockstars, I know what you've been waiting for. That's right, this Turbo AP1 we've been putting together for about a month and a half now. Finally, we get this thing on the dyno and have it dialed in. So sorry guys if we haven't updated you and brought some light to this build, but it's because that this turbo kit hasn't really been tested outside of Greddy R&D. So we have to make sure everything goes crisscross applesauce. Alright, Rockstars, now after a few pulls on the dyno, the S2000 ended up making 296 wheel horsepower and 172 foot-pounds of torque. Now that was on 91 octane pump gas. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm about to show you are the benefits of E85. Now after battling it out with those air and fuel mixtures, Derek was able to extract an extra 85 wheel horsepower and 100 foot-pounds of torque, totaling it out to 381 horsepower and 272 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad for some corn, right guys? Alrighty, Rockstars, and moving right along here, I'm unboxing some Brian Crower stuff, some Brian Crower goodies for the Rockstar race car. Shout out to Brian Crower from my hometown, San Diego. So what we're looking at here is a crankshaft for the S2000. This thing was super heavy, so I decided to put it on the scale just to weigh it. Coming in hot at 41 pounds. Now, why are we upgrading the crankshaft, you might be asking yourself? Well, the shop race car is going F24. That's right, it's increasing its displacement from 2.2 liters to 2.4. Sure, you could go K24 and pretty much achieve the same result, but not too many guys out there are rocking the F24. So along with upgrading the crankshaft, we're also going to upgrade the rods and pistons, raising the compression from 11 to 8 to 12 to 1. I think I went a little crazy weighing everything. The rods came in at 1 pound each, and then I threw these gorgeous looking pistons on there, and they came in at half a pound each. Alright, Rockstars, and if you want to keep up with that build, be sure to stick in. Alrighty, Rockstars, if you want to keep up with that build, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know every time we post a video, keep you guys updated with what we're doing here at Rockstar Garage. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good day.